Welcome to Enjuli Global, first to market NMN. Renew switches on genetics that add years to your life and life to your years. Supplementing with NMN supports longevity by providing anti-aging benefits. NutriVeda is first to market beta-nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN, in our channel. NMN has been shown to have significant anti-aging benefits ranging from telomere regeneration that can extend a person's lifespan to DNA repair that reverses mutations caused by harmful nutrients and a toxic environment. Additionally, NMN has been found to reduce inflammation, increase energy, and improve cognition, while reducing insulin sensitivities that result in metabolic disorders. Renew is a total game changer. NMN is a precursor to NAD+, and can aid in supporting healthy energy levels. Renew contains anti-aging compounds that are extensively researched and have no side effects. All NutriVeda products are always 100% organic, vegan, and contain no heavy metals. All new NutriVeda products have scientific white papers from an Ayurvedic doctor, and all NutriVeda products are certified by the Science of Life Institute of America. You can experience all of this at enjuliglobal.com. All NutriVeda products come with a certificate of analysis. Renew could be an option to enhance your health. All NutriVeda products are GMO-free and have enhanced absorption. Welcome to Enjuli Global. Be sure to check out the NutriVeda collection at enjuliglobal.com. You're invited to see more at our website. Renew switches on genetics that add years to your life and life to your years. Thanks for watching.